I'm too big for this. Ooh, it's actually pretty cool in here. You should try it, but now I'm getting claustrophobic, so now I need to get out.
Okay, I'll meet you over there.
Here, you want to take this one?
Sure. Oh, this is... Fox. Got too claustrophobic. Yeah. Got scared. No.
Wait. Okay, now click the next one. Okay, click the next one. Now click the next one.
Those bite.
Now the next one. Oh, look at the little critter.
It's not down here.
Yeah, it's flashing on the mouse. Alright, go click.
Where? This is earthworms. Oh, I see them right there.
Deer mouse, that's a deer mouse. They're so cool.
I think I spelled that wrong.
I hear these two in the morning.
Is that not sound of chicken?
No. My Kohl's came. It's just athlete shorts. Cause I'm working out more now. All right, everyone. I am out of breath because I just ran up our steps 2 to 3 times to bring up my groceries from Dollar Tree and Walmart. But anyways, I just wanted to say that today we went to a bird museum after taking my mom to her appointment. It was fun. Kiddo learned a lot of new stuff from there. And then I went to Dollar Tree, and then I picked up my order from Walmart. I will do a Dollar Tree haul because there's Easter and school stuff in there combined. And then I just stock up on some like hygiene products for my kiddo and I. So yeah, I'm ending the vlog. Well, starting and ending the vlog. Real short vlog today, because I also got to do birthday shorts for yesterday and today, and then also tomorrow and Friday and the weekend. So yeah, see you guys later, and ignore the doggos in the background. Bye.